Hello everyone, it is your girl Sophia Kelly here with you today. If this is your first time ever seeing me, what a great treat. Sit back, relax. I am a beauty influencer and a content creator, and today we're diving into this stunning metallic cut crease. I did use the Glitch 2000 palette, so if you're interested in learning how to achieve this look, keep on watching and let's get started. Alright, so I've already done my eyebrows and primed my lids. We have primer on the skin. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and do my foundation. For today's foundation cocktail, we are using the Absolute Cover Foundation. And I'm taking the shade 8 and number 10. And mixing them together is going to give me my perfect shade. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I think mixing my foundation on my skin is like one of my favorite things to do. Because I can literally watch the magic happen on my skin and watch my perfect shade take place in action. See, it's the perfect shade. It's a perfect shade, you guys. This is it. Okay, so now that my foundation is done, I'm happy with where it is. We're going to do some concealer to bring some brightness back into my face and to, you know, conceal bags that are going on. I'm taking the Skin Sculpting Wand in the shade Sunrise. Gonna place this right here. Look at that. Nice and bright. Yes, I'm gonna do some here, right there. Everywhere I want to add light to my face is basically where I'm gonna place Sunrise. Alright, so to go ahead and set everything in place, I will be taking the translucent powder in the shade Medium. I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes and basically focus it in my T-zone because that's where I get oily. So now that we've perfected the canvas, I'm going to go ahead and do one eye off camera and I'll be right back. So the first shade I'm taking is Fire Orange from the Bright Addictions palette. I'm going to be placing Fire Orange in my crease region, and this is going to serve as my transition for today's look. The next shade I'm taking is Brown. So I'm going to place Brown in my crease region, but keeping it tighter than Fire Orange to go ahead and create some depth in this look. I'm also taking the shade Brown and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Now let's dive into the shade Triple Black. I'm going to go ahead and focus the shade Triple Black right on the outer corner of my eye. And once there's less product on my brush, I'll start to blend things out and bring it over towards my inner corner. With less product on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and bring Triple Black closer towards the inner corner of my eye, just so when we cut the crease, we have a great contrast. I'm also running Triple Black along my lower lash line. To cut my crease, I'm going to take the Skin Sculpting Wand in the shade Dawn. The first shade I'm taking is Corduroy from the Glitch 2000 palette. I am going to pack Corduroy in the beginning of this cut crease and go about halfway. Now we're taking Chill Pill. We're going to pack the shade Chill Pill to go ahead and complete this cut crease. Last, I'll be taking the shade Posh. I'm going to place the shade Posh right in my inner corner for some highlighting action. I love how Posh is this gorgeous metallic lavender shade. To go ahead and line my lid, we are using the Verified Liquid Liner. To go ahead and prep my lashes, I will be using the HD Volumizing Mascara. Alright you guys, so we are all done with the eyes. It's definitely time to wrap up the rest of this face so we can finish this look off. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and contour. I'm going to take the shade Brown from the Bright Addiction palette to go ahead and snatch this face up. Going right underneath my cheekbone, I'm going to go ahead and add some depth and create a shadow for this contour. Okay, so now that we have contoured and added some shadows back into our face, it's time to add some color back into our face. Taking the same palette, the Bright Addiction palette, I am taking the Fire Orange shade to go ahead and put some color back into my cheeks. Just gonna go ahead and place this right on the apples of my cheeks. So it is looking like it's time to highlight, people. Time to get the glow on. And everyone knows Ofra is like known for their highlights. They're blinding and just impeccable, perfect highlights. I'm taking Beverly Hills, the highlighter, and I think I'm going to focus my brush mainly on this really bronzy shade and this kind of like pinky gold shade. We're going to do those and focus it right up here. I'm going to place this on the highest point of your cheekbone. It never fails. It never fails. Blinding. Everything is looking so good. So last but not least, we're going to take care of lips. And for lip liner today, I will be using the Chestnut lip liner, and I'll be pairing that with the Flexi stick lipstick in the shade Slip. You know when you use a lip liner for every lip color? This is what Chestnut is for me. It smells so good. It's like a habit of mine. I'm always like smelling my lip products and it smells good. And I'm gonna place this right in the middle. It's like a cute, literally it's like the color of my bottom lip. Perfect match. I really do enjoy their Flexi sticks. They're like the formula, the pigmentation, the way it wears. It's not drying on my lips. It's just beautiful, if I do say so myself. Here we have the completed look. I have to say I'm very happy with the way everything turned out today. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's look, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop some comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each and every single time a new video has been uploaded. But that is all for now, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, you guys.